Hi there, Adita Lang from aditalang.com, and today we are going to do my favorite floor-based exercises with my cohort, Leonardo. She needs to be in the film too. So we are going to work a little bit of core, a little bit of legs, a little bit of arms, everything that we can, no equipment, using your mat to try to get it in. My recommendation with this routine is try to do it 3 times, and in between those 3 times, add in some cardio. You can do that cardio by dancing. You can do it by running upstairs, jumping rope, anything that increases your heart rate and gets you going. And how long are you going to do that cardio for? Whatever time you've got. You've got to be able to slip it in. So if it's 5 minutes, it's 5 minutes. If you can do 10-minute bouts, even better. And try to get 3 bouts of cardio, 3 of this little routine, and you will be good to go. Okay, so let's just stretch just a little bit here. Start with your legs straight out. Lift up your chest nice and high and move that chest forward. At the same time, pull your toes towards you. Think about lengthening. Nice straight line from the tailbone to the top of the head and lifting forward from the chest. There you go. We're going to cross one foot up on top of the knee and pull forward once again. And then switch legs and press it up here too. Yeah. So let's see if we can get the body just kind of warmed up and moving, shall we? Come down to the floor, keeping your waist on the ground. You are going to tilt just the pelvis, keeping your waist stuck to the floor, and then press that down and try to push through your tailbone. And again, press up and bring it down. And take that up and back down. I don't think Leonardo wants to leave this spot. I think she's very happy being part of the exercise. So press that up one more time, and here's what I want you to do. I want you to roll all the way up. All the way up. Hands are down by your side. You're creating a straight line from the shoulders to the knees, squeeze from the hips, and then with the intention, set your spine down. Feel it, 1 vertebra at a time. You've got to tuck under so your waist touches before your tush does, and then push all the way through the tailbone, and then tuck it back up and bring it back up. Good. And press that down 1 vertebra at a time, all the way through the tailbone, and then bring that back up. There you go. And take that down 1 vertebra at a time, push through the tailbone, and take that up. Excellent. Press that down, and take that up one more time. And roll it down. And this one, you're going to stay up. So stay up right here. Bring your feet back just a tiny bit, and I want you to pull your right leg in. You've got to try to hold your hips up, so don't let them fall. Leg comes up, flex that foot, and you're going to pull the leg towards you and away. Trying to keep all your weight very balanced on both shoulders and this hip up in the air. That's it. Full inhale, full exhale. There you go. One more time. Excellent, and press that foot down. Again, readjust the hips, pull in the abdominals, pull that knee in, foot is up and flexed, and press it in and push it away. Full inhale. Try to keep your weight very balanced on the top backs of both shoulders. That's it. One more. We'll do one more time. And bring that down. There you go. And slowly set your spine down. Pull those knees into the chest. Big deep breath. And exhale, roll it up. There we go. We're going to flip over to hands and knees. So like a little tabletop. Round your back up. Press that down. And press it up and back down. One more time. Now flatten it out. Take your right leg back and your left arm forward. The hip bones are parallel to the floor, so you don't want to open up. You got to keep that down. Your arm is straight out and you're looking right at the floor. Now, lifting up a couple of inches and down. Full inhale, full exhale, holding the abdominals super, super tight. One more time, and hold it here. Now we're going to take it to the side, but you can't lean to the left, so you got to push into this right leg and then bring it center. Press it out and back in. Good. Press it out and back in. There you go. One more. And press it out and take that back in. Great. Other side, straight out. Abdominals nice and tight, and lift and lower from there. Full inhale, full exhale. That's it, one more. Hold it there and take it out to the side. Remember, without pushing into this hip, and bring it in. Press it out and back in. So I'm trying to move my body to the left so that I don't push into my right hip. Keeping those abdominals super tight. One more. Let's do it again. And bring that center. Take that in, press it back. Okay, so we're gonna add in a little bit of push-ups. Since my lovely assistant is in my way, we're gonna turn around. Okay, here you go. You're gonna do them from your knees, even if you like doing them from your toes, because we're gonna do something a little different. Okay, so your hands are wide. I typically say grab outside of your mat. That way you know they're wide enough. You wanna get 90 degrees with the elbows. You're gonna push your body weight forward so that your chest lands right above your hands, and we're gonna go down in a 2 count and up in a 2 count. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, is that not interesting? She's gotta get into the camera. What can I say? 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. Full inhale and full exhale. Your hips are down. It's a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. There you go. You got 4 and up. That's 3 and up. 2 and up. And last one. Press that up. Good. Push that all the way back. There you go. Okay, so I want to show you something really, really quick, okay? We're going to do something that's called shoulder retraction. I want to turn around so you can see what my shoulder blades do, okay? So watch this. So your arms are going to go out and you're going to squeeze your shoulders back together and then bring them in. Got it? So you're going to squeeze your shoulders back like you're holding a pen and then you let go. So here's what we're going to do. Hands are shoulder distance apart. Come back into downward facing dog, press back, enjoy that stretch right there. Take the tailbone, press it way out, abdominals are in tight. Now bring it forward, squeeze the shoulder blades one time and press it back. There you go. And take it forward, squeeze it one time, press it back, good. Take it forward and squeeze and press it back. And squeeze it forward and press back. Squeeze forward and press back. Now hold it here. We're going to do 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Abdominals are tight. And 5. Bring that down. Great job. So I want you to think about it this way. When our shoulders tend to roll forward, it's because that muscle, it's called your rhomboids, is not strong enough. So we got to get it to go back. And we have to start working that muscle intentionally. So it starts going backwards. Pull those arms back, stretch it out. Big deep breath, big exhale. There you go. Okay. So let's do a little bit more glute, shall we? Back in your plank. You're going to come up. I want you to pull the leg in towards the chest. You're going to turn the foot out as you press it back, and you're going to bring it in and turn your foot out. Squeezing the hips, keeping your weight into your hands. So if you feel yourself pushing backwards, you're cheating. Pull it forward, bring it in, press it out. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring that down. The other leg goes in, press it out. That's it. Full inhale, full exhale. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Press it down, back to downward facing dog. Take that right leg up. They call this pigeon in yoga. You can call it whatever you want. You're going to turn your foot sideways and set yourself back. Your goal here is that both hip bones are parallel to the floor. So if you're leaning to one side, you got to center yourself out right here. Now, if you're very flexible, you can pull your leg up. Some of you might still have your leg back here, and that's okay too. So you're holding yourself here, hopefully enjoying the stretch, and then you're going to press yourself back. Back to downward facing dog. Left leg goes up. Big deep breath. And exhale, press it down. And bring yourself back. There we go. Now, we're going to do another arm exercise. So here's what I want you to do. You're going to come on your elbow, pull yourself up. So you can be on your knees if you want to. I'll do a couple here and I'll do a couple for my feet so you can see what it looks like. Take this top arm. We're going to reach under like we're trying to fold our body. And then you're going to come back up again. Okay? So you reach under, you pull yourself up. And if you want to do it from your feet, you can. Reach under and back up. There we go. Abdominals are tight. Your goal is to go as far under as you can. That's it. There you go. 2 more. 1 more time. And press that up. Good. And bring it down. We're going to do the other side. Same thing. So again, you can do it from your knees or your toes. That's up to you. Arm goes up, reach under as far as you can, and press up. Full inhale, full exhale. There you go. Keeping those abdominals super tight. Remember, the harder the exercise becomes, the more you have to focus on pulling your abdominals inward. Okay? Reach in, press it up. Good. You've got 4, 3, 2, 1 more time, and 1. Excellent job. Okay, we're almost there. Just a couple more exercises. So come back down, take the hands by your sides, and we're going to come back up into what they call a bridge. So the bridge is straight line from the knees all the way to the shoulders. Now, right leg comes up, toes are pointed, and I want you to draw a very large figure 8. There you go. You've got to hold this hip up. You can't let it fall. And this hip has to be parallel to it. So they have to be exactly the same. All your weight is in the top back of your shoulders. 1 more time. There you go. And bring that leg down. Good. Readjust yourself, both hips parallel. They're the same. Keep that leg up. And a big figure 8. That's it. Full inhale, full exhale. Abdominals are in tight. Weights on the shoulders. There we go. 2 more. 1 more. Yes. And bring that in. Now, walk your feet together. Pull up from those hips. And I want you to intentionally open the knees and bring them back. Abdominals super tight. Full inhale, full exhale. There you go. That's it, that's it. Squeeze tight. You've got 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and 1. Bring that down, pull the knees into the chest. Great job. Now, here's the last one. Close to the last one. We're almost there though. Take both feet up, okay. You see how your feet are right now? They're parallel to the sky. So no matter what I make you do, your feet have to stay parallel to the sky. You're going to open your toes out, hands by your side, shoulders are back, and you're going to pull your knees towards you. But look, feet stay parallel to the sky. They don't drop, right? They stay up here. And then you're going to squeeze them up and push through your inner thighs. So you pull the knees towards you and press them up. There you go. It's like a plie. And again, you're keeping those feet, no matter what, parallel to the sky. There you go. Abdominals super tight. Full inhale, full exhale. You've got 5, 4, 3, my assistant is back, 2, and hold it here. Hold it. Now, hands behind the head. Last set here, I promised you this one. You're gonna squeeze tight, pull in from the rib cage really, really tight. Try to hold your feet the same position and halfway down and squeeze. Remember, you're holding the weight of your head and you're squeezing from your rib cage towards your pubic bone in order to pull you up. That's the abdominal crunch right there. Full inhale, full exhale. There you go. You've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring that down, pull those knees into the chest. Excellent job, my friends. So once again, take this routine and put in some cardio in between it and do the routine 3 times. You will get some great results from that. Make sure you get that cardio in there. It can be dancing, it can be jumping rope, running stairs, running around the block, however you want to do it. Flex the feet up now. Push your tailbone into the floor as you pull your legs towards you so you can get a full stretch behind the legs, okay? Now cross one foot on the knee and pull both legs in towards you. That's it. And then switch sides and press that in. There you go. So that's it for my floor routine for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye for now.